Does your refrigerator do this? Ice shooting everywhere, but in your cup and all over the floor. You're not alone. Hundreds of models of refrigerators all do this, including leading brands like GE, Bosh, and Whirlpool. Have you had enough that you want to just smash your refrigerator into pieces? Well, hold on just a sec. There is a solution to fix this annoying problem. Ice Chute adapters for many models of refrigerators. The Ice Chute adapters lengthen the existing ice chute and direct the ice to the center of the cup with internal slanted walls. All of the adapters easily install in less than 30 seconds and require no tools or refrigerator modification. Just type the store name PacificShamrock with no space in between, or search Ice Chute Adapter. Love your refrigerator again.